Hey everyone, this is Vikas Singh Thakur, and in this video we are going to see how you can get started with the basic projects. So I'm not talking about the robotics. I had already talked about it on my previous video, and I got lots of comment about what are the exact project that we should start working on, and what are the sources or the course or different resources that we should access to get our hands dirty with the projects. So in that, I would suggest lots of different YouTube channels over there, but personally, if I'm at your place, I will definitely go with this kind of courses. First thing, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not sponsored by any of this YouTube channel or any one of this. Okay, so I definitely want good things are meant to be shared. So I want you guys to go with this kind of courses. So for the basic understanding of PID, I will suggest this channel and this channels over here, and these are the YouTube videos over there. So you can try to search it, or I will put the link on the description. You can directly access this for the PID. So here we have a very basic control type, or the controlling system where you can have a minimal amount of the hardware and you can get started with PID. Another is with the drone based, and the next is the self-balancing robot. So these are a little bit advanced type, but if you have good resources and if you are confident that you can build this, so go on and try this up. So once you're done with the PID, next is the inverse kinematics and the forward kinematics. So inverse kinematics and forward kinematics, mostly these are used in robotic system, where there are multiple joints is involved. So if we want the end effector or the target point or the end effector to move to the target point, we adjust different joint angles and all those to move to that particular location. So for that, these are the channels, or these are the videos that I will recommend you to try to follow on and try to build a project on top of it. And once you are done with this, try to also go with some theoretical part, because inverse kinematics and forward kinematics have lots of theoretical parts also involved in it. So if you go directly with the projects, then there are lots of things that you will be missing out a lot. So I'm not recommending that directly go to the practical part, but try to grasp a small concept of what exactly these things are in your head. And once you are done with that, try to build this project. So it is on you. If you are confident that you can learn this concept through a practical part, so definitely go with it. So once you're done with the inverse kinematic and forward kinematics, next thing is OpenCV. That is a library, but it is a very interesting, the part of any robotics. So OpenCV is an open source library for computer vision tasks. So inside this, there are lots of different concepts you are going to learn. The arco markers. There are different concepts inside it that you are going to learn through it. So I will suggest a dedicated course of this guy over here, and these are the videos and the courses you can access. Most of them are free, but lots of the projects inside or the course inside are not that free. But if you follow the step by step, you can just type all the codes and you can work on different project just by copying him. And this will help you clear the basic concept of how and what are the different concepts involved in a particular library or OpenCV or whatever you want to learn. So this is for the OpenCV. And next is the course part. So in the course part, I will definitely recommend you this guy. So he worked on a lots of sensor already for I don't know, about 9 or 10 years. So I have been following him from around class 11th and 12th. So I have seen his lots of video. He has been very dedicated in this kind of thing. So I would definitely recommend this guy, and the YouTube channel where you can subscribe his channel and try to follow his courses and all those guidance over the time. So these are the guys. You should go on with the course for the Arduino I basic sensors. Even they have worked on the Raspberry Pi also, so you can try to follow them. And the next thing, that is the ROS part. So ROS is little bit more than the beginner part. So if you are confident and if you are someone who is very confident about that, you can go and start working on the ROS part. That is mostly the software part. And if you are very confident, then you should follow this person over here. So he had already worked on the real robot. Most of the things are a little bit mismatched. I have seen his video. So lots of the things are mismatched, but you can get the basic concept of the SLAM and what are the different sensors and how they are attached with the your software or the middleware or the ROS part. So how they are attached, what are the functionality, what are the basic concept of it. You can go with this person and share another YouTube video or the course here. So this is backend robotics something. So you can follow this guy's course here. So he's also working. His course is also in a good level. He can learn a lot from it. So these are the things that you should work on. And next is the sensor part. So for the sensor, I will recommend you go with this basic, the basic understanding of all kind of sensor YouTube video over here. So this guy have explained all about what is a sensor, what are the different type of sensor, what are their functionality, and what and in which situation these are used mostly on. So you can go on with this guy. So once you're done with this basic concept and this course, this are more than sufficient for you to get started. And this will be the basic fundamentals or the building blocks for you to work on your own idea. So here a small tip for you. So if you're working on any of this project, or if you have worked on already on this project, try to have your own idea on top of it. Don't just copy and paste everything. Try to create something out of it. If you have already worked on, let's say if you worked on the PID or something like that, try to have a small project by yourself from your side, not by the copied one. So this will help you, get the better understanding of how and what and how and actually the project actually implemented, and what are the exact steps that you should follow to help yourself get to that thing that someone had already built. So try to follow this project, and over the process, try to build your whole idea on top of this. So these are like wheels. So these are wheels which have already invented. On top of it, you build your own car or whatever you want. So try to do that, and don't just copy and paste. Try to follow its step. Try to clear the concept. Try to explore lots of things. So these are not dedicated one. You can find a lot of things, lot of better courses on the concepts clearing videos all over the YouTube or other courses. But these are the courses I definitely recommend you guys personally. So if there is something that I'm missing out, if you feel stuck that this is the concept I can't find a particular course on, so just comment down. I will try to help you out for sure. So this is about this video, and so I am Vikas and I love robotics. So see you on the next video. Keep yourself up and be on the process and believe in the process. So see you on the next video. Bye.